the Sweaty Potato Meyer RC channel. And today, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Baja with the 34cc Rovan engine in it. We're gonna take it into the backyard, and what I've done is I went down and I've crunched all the data that we have and that we've gotten over, you know, all the testing and stuff. And what I've done is I come up with a setup I think is going to be something where I can take this machine anywhere. You know, I truly think that this setup is the best way to go. It's the most versatile, although it does tear up the ground and it will leave marks in your yard, you know, with this setup, because it's always blowing the tires off and ripping out grass by the roots. But so I wanted to mention that. And what the setup is I went with all-terrain tires. And the reason I went with the all-terrain tires is because the knobbies, they get so much traction all the time. You know, they leave marks too, but this one leaves marks for longer because it spins for way longer. Where the knobbies, you know, they get so much traction, that's where you're pulling the front wheels all the time. So after this, oh, and another thing I wanted to mention, I designed a different wheelie bar for it, so it doesn't have so much rake, so it's not coming up so much. And another thing I wanted to do, you know, later on, we'll test it again with the same setup with the knobbies on it. We'll have to take it probably to the big place to test it there with all the speed and everything it's going to have. So we'll go ahead and do that. So yeah, I wanted to touch on the new wheelie bar, the new design. I'm pretty sure, if I remember right, I think it's 1.5 inches lower, so it doesn't give it that 45-degree rake. It's more like I don't know, a 25, something like that. So basically, that makes it a little bit more manageable, so it's not clear up like this. You know, it's more like this, so you know you can just let off the throttle, it'll come right back down, so you can steer. So I think I'm really liking the setup that it has right now, you know, for my backyard, and to be able to take it like to the park or something, you know, just because any more gear is going to be too much for the park and all that stuff, you know. So I really think I like the setup that I have in it right now just for the yard, and I'll probably always change the setups to go to the new spot and all that stuff. So let's take a look at the footage, and I hope everybody liked today's video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, if you like what you see, you should probably do that, because this is what I do. And by the subscribe button, there's a bell notification. Select that, select all, and you get every upload I do. And don't forget, if there's something on your mind, leave a comment in the comments section, guys. All right, guys, back out here with the Baja and the 34cc Rovan engine. I got a new wheelie bar on there. We're gonna see how it works. And then what we have right now is the setup that the paper, you know, down on paper with all my data. This is the setup that's supposed to be the best for this. So it has 2153 gears, all-terrain tires. So let's see what it's like. Blowing the tires right off. Tell, no, get more way more traction. I'm really liking this new wheelie bar setup. Doesn't have near as much rake. And with this setup, guys, it's fast enough to drive in open spots, and it's also, you know, low enough geared to where what I'm trying to say is you can drive this thing anywhere around. Most versatile setup for it, right? check our numbers, guys. $14,640 for RPM. Check our temps. Clutch bell. 95. Engine. 190. Whoa! Woo! Woo! She's hauling the mail, boys. Yeah! Look at this. Look at the ground, man. See how it doesn't wheelie so much because it's got so much more wheel spin now? Woo. All right, guys, let's check that kill switch. Perfect.